po. So nakakangawin po guys. That is quite difficult, most especially if the medic hasn't arrived yet. So the proper way to do that is dito po. Okay? Ganyan lang, huwag yung mag-pass dyan. Okay po. Yan. Okay.
Hindi ito.
Yung head niya, mag-immobilize. Okay? Until the neck brace has arrived na po. But once the neck brace or the neck collar is already here na po, okay, that would be good. Okay? Kasi less na, okay, yung motion. Mas kampante tayo. Okay. Okay? But while the neck brace is not yet, because sometimes we don't usually bring this along with us or we know how to do that. It's not. Okay? That's why the proper weight is this one. And you have to ask also the victim. Hopefully, the victim is conscious. Okay? So that you can inform the victim, can you move your hands and your feet? Okay? So that is the way we will be able to know whether the victim has paralysis. Okay? Because if she's saying that I am already moving my hands and yet you haven't seen any movement, automatic. Okay? Spinal cord injury, as well as the feet, guys. Okay? So if the victim is conscious, guys, of course you have to introduce first yourself. Okay? Good morning, and then try to pacify the patient. When you say pacify, assure. Give assurance. Okay? That he or she is already being taken care of. Okay? Because just imagine the anxiety, the fear that he or she is experiencing. Okay? Kasi guys, if ever you will be the proper position of your hands is like this one, that would be very difficult on your part. What if the ambulance arrived, let's say 15 minutes? Back. So that is already hazard also on your part. Okay? Back pain. Okay? So you have to position yourself. Up. Here na guys. So that would now be the first part. And then, okay, after securing that the victim is already have a spinal cord injury, we will do this one. So the person who is assigned on the head part is the one in charge with this also. Okay? The neck brace. Okay? Or neck collar. This is your guide, guys. Okay? And that's which is one. Kasi it's a slide na naman siya. And then, adjust. Okay, this one is quite big. Okay, so you can see. Just make sure that this V is also here. So, this is your guide. So yan, pagkalagay natin ito sa kanya. Okay, this one. Example. We're now quite secure. Okay? And then guys, yung assigned po dito, there are two persons who should be assigned here at the side. One at the head part. That's why you're four. Okay, there should be one na assigned here. So push lang po. Okay? So have you watched the video paano kita gilid? Because quite frankly, it's so difficult. Okay, quite difficult and challenging on our part as medical personnel to have that side lying position, guys. Kasi dapat synchronize yung kayo sa ito. Okay? So, yung sa my head part, alalay lang siya because it's already a neck brace. So, the works will be on the two person that is assigned here at the side.
Okay.
Okay? So, here it is. Guys, hindi lang ito gawin. Ito, sino po yung biktima natin?
Ako lang din sa recovery position. Napanood ko
Sige
siya.
ako na lang sa
Yung mag-check ka nun, tapos